Okay, for some reason, my opening video that I usually do did not record on the cameras for some reason. So I'm going to just go ahead and jump on here right now like this and do a little bit of a voiceover and start out that way. So this video here is from August 31st, another Saturday working on the old Nova. And I have a few other clips on here that I guess they do and they don't have anything to do with doing the Nova, but I just kind of wanted you guys to see how we kind of pick on each other, and we're just your average family. We like hanging out together, we like giving each other crap, and it just kind of makes the work go a little bit faster, a little bit easier when you add a little bit of comedy and stuff like that into it. So, and I'm sure some of the stuff on here that I have in the clips could upset some people, could maybe not upset some people, who knows. But this is how we are. This is how the family is. We pick on each other. We grew up in a family full of truck drivers, so you could pretty much imagine the amount of sarcasm that went around in our family. You either had to be able to take it or not take it and just don't come around. That's just kind of how it is. But I think we got a pretty good run on the car this time. So I am going to jump off right here and go ahead and get started on the time lapse, and hope you guys enjoy the video, and like and subscribe. Big deal, help me out with that. Like and subscribe my videos. Thank you. Okay, we're going to work on the back of the Nova here a little bit. So, let's see if I can get this piece out. We had to rebuild this. Still don't look the best yet. I got to work over the welds and everything a little bit. But that goes right here. And this piece right here is what I'm going to work on building now. And that goes right in here somewhere. We got to do some work here. I got a rust spot right here that the quarter skin's not gonna fix, so I'll have to make a little bit of a patch right in here. And then this side should be pretty much all roughed in. Okay. I've heard about it. Thought I'd get back on here again. This is the piece that we cut off the car. This is the piece that I made to go back on the car. Now, they're not 100% the same, but I know this one here got bent up when I took it off the car, because I get a little aggressive sometimes pulling stuff off and kind of screw shit up, but it is what it is. I'm back at it.
It's a revolution.
See what we can get done. Make less junk out of junk. See how we did when we were half inebriated working on it before.
Yeah.
How's it going, Bradley?
Good, man. Bradley Jerry, Off. You're welcome to my garage.
Thanks for letting us come annoy you for the day. When we were in this part of the country, I was like, there's one guy we need to go see because it's not that you have one crazy car, it's every car you have. It's like, I've never seen that before, so we had to come check it out. All right, let's start over here and let's go over everything that's on the wall. Because it looks like there's a lot of character here. Let's talk about it.
Yeah, we can start right here. That's self-explanatory right there. As far as this being this guy, we go back a long way. Scotty D, he's good people.
It's a revolution.
There you go, Timmy. I gotta make the bottom piece.
Nice.
Those will get cut so I can take it off. And well, right, but I gotta make this piece now. But I got the bad part of that end cut off, the bad part of that end cut off, that made this piece.
Nice. Nice.
Well, and we got to fit that up. So I tacked it all. There's a chance we'll have to cut some of these to set your door gap.
Yeah.
But I got to at least get some kind of shape in there because I want to have it tacked all the way around here and then fit it up there. And if I have to, I can go and move.
Yeah.
But as of right now, those three tacks, this screw and that vice grip, and that piece comes back off still. So I'm trying to hold it in place so I can take this off.
That way you can
Then we got a whole
fit
bunch
that.
of rain over the weekend. Got a couple of things we're gonna do to start out the week. We're setting up this really cool long-term time-lapse camera, which I'm excited about. This guy's stuff. G-Wagon, dude.
Oh, Major, our boy, dude.
There we go.
Is that our boy?
The
Yeah.
next piece.
What are you doing out here in the G-Wagon, brother?
Not too bad. I mean, these tacks will get cut because I'll have to take this piece off and weld through crime behind it and all that shit. I want to make all this one piece welded and ground and then put it in and weld it.
Okay, what you're seeing here is my brother doing some, I call it old school stretching of metal. If you look in my shorts, you will see a couple of videos in there that go a little bit more in depth to what he is doing. So just thought I'd jump in here and explain a little bit.
You need one for each side now.
Two of them.
Yeah, come look at this. That is cool. That is really cool.
Hell yeah.
Did you see my new pickup, Grandpa? What? She's not a beaut, but she's a pickup.
She's a beaut, Clark.
Where'd you get that?
You ain't got that shit, Timmy.
That's fucking sweet.
I ain't done. But she's close.
No, but yeah, close.
I gotta take a little wood out right there. And then. Because ultimately, it really don't matter.
Mm-hmm.
The problem is I need a opposite of that for the other side. All we have to do is we have to fit this step. So I'll probably wind up taking it off and have to kind of hammer this a little sharper, maybe. Just on the back side, just tap, 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 tap. But I need to, I can't get that end to come down. So I need to use the piece of wood. Look at that shit. Might have to do that for your couple little radiuses you got on the back.
Yeah.
And ultimately, what's behind it don't have to be a perfect shape. You just gotta have room.
Mm-hmm. I can even filter.
You know what I mean?
Pick up that back chirping. Oh shit! You lie. No.
Started. He said he heard it just a little yesterday, and now it's doing it
real
today.
faint frickin' Thursday. It was a little bit louder yesterday, but it wouldn't do it when I was on throttle. Now it's back
What the fuck is that?
to no.
Hit that edge. It was hitting the wood.
Oh.
First time.
that.
Alright.
It's pretty close.
Oh, fuck.
Go into. Pretty good. Sharp. Sharp right there.
Right.
They would have done it.
What?
Hold on, I got anything with a pair of vice grips.
I know, it wasn't that! Fucking wheel blew up on me. Whipped me clean in the belly. Fuck me. Ow.
What?
You motherfucker.
Fit here.
Underneath the car.
Hell yeah.
About 40 views.
Nice.
Just boom.
Just boom.
I don't know how you're fucking supposed to work on fucking big old fucking thing.
I don't know why you're struggling here, bud. What do you need? What do you need?
How are you supposed to work in these conditions, he says. Sound like that damn cockatoo. What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh, that's great. We'll just let it overlap. We might have to clearance that to let it overlap.
Yep.
Oh, it's hard underneath.
Power the first time. Hey, I'm getting ready to do something. Hey, don't fuck it up. This is a refined unit around here. Don't fuck it up.
And in essence, I'm building a 360 sprint car motor, by the way.
Sweet.
Fucking 60 over. I didn't realize it. So it's a 360. Fucking 14, 15 below compression. We're dropping it back down. With my head. Travis said it was going to be 9 to 1 with this. Yeah, it'll probably be right around 10 now.
Cool. That would be something. What are you holding the horse on?
That's the train.
Yeah.
That worked, donkey.
I would say, yeah.
That'll do, pig. That'll do. Not bad. All I have to do is see I can roll the whole other end of the other end of the 2x4 for this one. Yeah. So I'm gonna tack all this. Right now, this is still removable. I cut 3 tacks and this piece comes off. This outer skin still comes off because I want to fit it to the shoulder. But I'd like this to be a welded. I want to have it all tacked together, fit it to the car, change whatever I need to change, and I can pull this off well grind it now, so you can get to the back side of the seam. But I want this welded. I basically want it to be a panel with it.
Yeah.
Plug weld, plug weld,
But I don't want
plug weld, plug weld.
Oh, you're trying to split that.
Yeah.
front of that fender going to be okay?
Up there?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's alright. It's just the yellow rust. That hole at the bottom, I'm just gonna weld it shut. I don't really know what's supposed to go there. It's a little bit more shaky, so I'm just probably gonna clean it up real good. Put my chunk of brass behind it and have it down. Weld it shut, but I welded up the wheel in here. Holes
Yeah.
that this car didn't have. I welded them mesh. I think it'll be alright. This brace back here looks twisted, you know? I put the original piece right here, and the cut line and everything lined up perfect. I have the holes for the spot welds, that cut line, everything lined up perfect with that brace being a little twisted. That brace has been twisted since this day.
Lots of fender. Too much.
Right?
Yeah. That's interesting.
Right?
Bum diggy diggy bum 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 bum.
It's in a tote.
It's refined. They'll struggle. He always struggles. That's what makes you better.
Or worse. How do you look at it?
Found a flaw with this welder.
What's that?
You can't half trigger it.
I mean, you can't half trigger it.
Like, when I'm welding something thin, I like to not fucking pull the trigger all the way. If you do that with this one, it doesn't fucking release the gas. There you are, bitching about my fucking welder. Yep. You fucking being a dickhead about mine.
Well, at least mine works. The other ball his don't work.
Yeah, dude.
Is it?
He lets somebody use it.
Hey, Dylan,
What?
it's just proven to you you can't half-ass shit. You got a full ass it.
Full ass. Half-ass me, that's why I'm retarded.
Is that what you told her on a full asset?
Really, that's all I do. God fucking rules.
Turn it down if you're having a problem. You know, welders are adjustable.
Where the fuck is that? Voltage down.
There you go. And this one thing you're not used to is you gotta have penetration.
Well, I'm used to that, apparently.
You're not used to that.
Why?
Maybe your kids don't have no nuts because you didn't get all the way in there.
I mean, I have the same problem.
White guy.
Or you got a two car and plugged it up.
Why do you think we joked around for years trying to figure out who your dad is? Your dad's the only one for quite a while that had a boy. And it turned out to be you.
Missing.
Goddamn. I'm like, so close. Nope, missed it.
Son of a bitch.
Bum diggy diggy bum 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 bum. Bum diggy diggy bum bum bum.
It's a revolution.
Okay. Another day down. I think I got quite a bit done. It doesn't look like I got quite a bit done on the video, but anybody that's done this knows how much time some of that small stuff takes. So I feel like I got quite a bit done. My brother got quite a bit done on the fender. So now I am heading home. I'm already late for getting there. I wanted to get home for kickoff for the old Nebraska Cornhuskers football team. But I'm 15 minutes behind, like usual. 15 minutes behind. But I thought I'd get on here, tell you guys, done for the day. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, comment, share, whatever you want to do, whichever one you want to do if you're not subscribed already. I would love it if some of you that aren't subscribed would subscribe to the channel. It would help me out drastically on getting to where I would like to be. It's always a blast with my brother. One of these days I should do a live just so you guys can see some of the fun that we have. We like giving a lot of bullshit. We like picking on our dad. We like picking on each other. It makes it a lot more fun doing what we do when you're doing it with people that you love. Makes it more fun, makes it more enjoyable, and the most important part is you're making memories. And whether any of us like to admit it or not, it is inevitable that our parents will eventually be gone. So the more memories you can make with them, the happier they are with the time that they have with us, and the happier we are because we got to make those memories with our loved ones. And like it if you guys would comment and maybe let me know where you guys are from. I'd kind of like to know how far out this is getting. You know, who all is watching my videos, because either I haven't figured it out yet, which is highly likely, or YouTube just doesn't let it out completely. I would kind of enjoy knowing where everybody's from, whether you subscribe to the channel or not. Leave me a comment. Let me know where you're from. I mean, I can tell kind of geographic where some of my views have come from. I mean, I've got some views from Argentina and Germany and all that, but I would really like to know who is watching the videos and where you're from. So with that, I am home. I am going to go in the house and watch the Huskers play with the wife. Wow, I guess that's kind of the wrong way of wording it. I am going to watch the football game with my wife. So, I appreciate all you. Till next time. Love you. Enjoy you. Later.